Stop investing in your 401k. You've seen that take, right? Let's bust this with myth versus fact, fast. Myth: a 401k is always the best place for every dollar. Fact: the match is the best place for your first dollars. If your employer matches, that's instant, risk-free return. I don't skip free money. Myth: fees don't matter if I'm long-term. Fact: fees are termites. A 1% higher fee can eat six figures over decades. I check the plan's expense ratios. I use the lowest cost index options first. Myth: keep contributing, even with high interest debt. Fact: if I'm drowning at 20% APR, I hit pause after grabbing the match. I attack that debt, then resume contributions. Myth: traditional or Roth, doesn't matter. Fact: it's all taxes, now versus later. If I expect higher taxes later, Roth can win. If I'm in a high bracket today, traditional may be smarter. I don't guess, I run the numbers. Myth: my default investments are fine. Fact: defaults can be too conservative, or too aggressive. I pick a target date fund, or build a mix that fits my risk and timeline. Myth: I can pull money if I really need it. Fact: early withdrawals often mean taxes and a 10% penalty. Loans risk job changes turning into a tax bill. I keep a separate emergency fund so I'm not raiding retirement. Myth: old 401ks should just sit. Fact: I compare fees and options. If an IRA is cheaper and better, I roll it over. If my current plan is cheaper and better, I roll it over, carefully, to avoid taxes. Myth: max the 401k before anything else. Fact: my simple order: get the full match, build a 3-6 month emergency fund, kill high interest debt. If I have an HSA, fund it. It's triple tax advantaged. Then increase 401k contributions. Consider a low-cost IRA if it offers better choices. Extra: taxable brokerage for flexibility. Bottom line: I don't stop investing in my 401k, I prioritize it, smartly. Grab the match, minimize fees, respect taxes, crush bad debt, stay invested. The internet loves hot takes, I love math. Check your plan, adjust, let compounding do its thing.